Hey, this is Brian with the Seat Shop, and today I'm going to answer a question that we get quite often on the phone, and that's how to tell which pieces are leather and which pieces are vinyl on your seat. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that most manufacturers manufacture the seat cover with a combination of both. There's leather on all the seating surface area, basically everything you'd actually touch when you're sitting in the seat, and then they use vinyl on all the side skirtings. So leather on the top surface, vinyl on the sides, and there's a couple ways to tell which pieces are what on your seat. Now, easily, if you had the material just loose sitting there, it's really easy to tell what's leather, what's vinyl. You can look at the back of a piece of leather and see the suede back, or you can see the vinyl that has, a different material that's on the back of the vinyl, this being vinyl, that leather. But when it's sewn together in the cover, we have foam backing that goes behind each of the pieces on the vinyl and on the leather. So it's really easy to tell the leather and vinyl when it's actually installed on a foam. Let me show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. It's a lot easier to do that than it is to tell from the underneath side of the cover. So leather, when you push down on it, it's gonna spider some. You're gonna see some ripples. You're gonna see a lot of this spidering in the leather. That's how you know a surface is leather. So you can push down on any surface and see if it's got spidering to it, and that's how you know that's gonna be a leather panel versus the vinyl. Because the vinyl on the sides doesn't spider at all. It's just, you push in on it, move around, you'll see the ripples from where you're pushing, but it doesn't spider out. That's how you know it's a vinyl panel. So really easy to tell once it's installed or put on a piece of foam where you can push in on the material to see how it spiders or not. But that's the easiest way to tell if it's leather or vinyl. Here at the Seat Shop, we manufacture everything just like the OEM did, so typically all of them are leather face, vinyl sides. However the OEM made it, that's how we're going to reproduce it. If you got any other questions, feel free to give us a call, 214-710-2565. Like always, follow us on all those social media channels. Thanks, guys.